Welcome to the Sri Shyam group of educations. In the previous classes, we were studying about what is haloalkane, and also we were studying about what is the classification of haloalkane, and also studying about method of haloalkane. In the previous classes, we were studying about from alcohol A part by reaction of PCl3 and PCl5. Now we singing about by reaction of thionyl chloride. First of all, we know about what is thionyl chloride. What is thionyl chloride? The basic formula of thionyl chloride is SOCl2. When alcohol ROH react with the thionyl chloride SOCl2 in the presence of pyridine. The basic formula of pyridine C5H5N. To get alkyl chloride RCl plus HCl and plus SO2. Let's we see, speaking again, alcohol react with the thionyl chloride in the presence of pyridine. 2 gives a alkyl chloride and also gives a HCl and SO2. These reaction we will see by trick. First of all, we will write alcohol ROH and then structure of thionyl chloride as double bond O Cl and Cl. The R react with the chloride, H react with the Cl, and in the presence of pyridine C5H5N. Two gives a alkyl chloride plus HCl or plus SO2. It is the good method for preparation of alkyl chloride because obtain of byproduct HCl is SO2 is gases and pyridine absorbed of HCl. The reaction is also called Darjan reaction. In this reaction, we cannot obtain alkyl bromide and alkyl iodide because thionyl bromide is unstable and thionyl iodide is unknown. Speaking again, today we will see the method of from alcohol by the reaction of thionyl chloride. When alcohol react with the thionyl chloride in the presence of pyridine, 2 gives a RCl alkyl chloride and also gives HCl and SO2. And next, the reaction is good and good method for preparation of alkyl chloride because the HCl SO2 is gaseous and pyridine absorbed HCl. Next, the reaction is also called Darjan reaction. Any problem? Next reaction. Next reaction, we will see the reaction of halogen acid. C part of from alcohol. Reaction of on alcohol. If alcohol react with the halogen acid, 2 gives alkyl halide. RX is alkyl halide and removal of water. First of all, we will see by the example of HCl. When ROH is react with the HCl, if alcohol react with the HCl in the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride, 2 gives alkyl chloride plus H2O. ROH alcohol react with the HCl, removal of water. By these examples gives RCl and removal of water. Next, alcohol react with HBr in the presence of small amount of H2SO4, 2 gives RBr, removal of water. This reaction is most important in RBSc board exam because HBr obtained by reaction of NaBr and H2SO4. H plus Br minus 2 gives HBr plus NaHSO4. Speaking again, the alcohol react with the HCl in the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride, 2 gives alkyl chloride, and next we will see alcohol react with the HBr in the presence of concentrate H2SO4, 2 gives alkyl bromide. But HBr obtained by reaction of NaBr and H2SO4, 2 gives HBr plus NaHSO4. The question was not used HBr in the RBSc board exam. For example, ROH plus NaBr plus H2SO4. 2 gives a question mark. The question is very most important. Came in RBSC 2015. In this question, the HBr is not used. In question is RBSC 2015. What is the product? Anyone? The product is, we know that the NaBr react with the H2SO4, 2 gives a HBr plus NaHSO4. Now we can say the alcohol react with the HBr, 2 gives a RBr. So we can say the answer is ROH plus NaBr plus H2SO4. The product is RBr plus NaHSO4 plus H2O. Very most important in RBSC 2015. ये क्वेश्चन RBSC में मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट है, 2015 में आया था ये क्वेश्चन. अपने को पता है यहाँ पे अपने NaBr प्लस H2SO4 लिख देते हैं कई बार HBr की जगह, क्योंकि HBr को कहाँ से गेट करते हैं अपने ऑब्टेन NaBr प्लस H2SO4 की रिएक्शन से. क्या बन जाएगा इधर HBr प्लस NaHSO4. और वी नो दैट HBr अल्कोहल से रिएक्शन करके क्या बनाता है RBr प्लस H2O. The question is most important, ROH plus NaBr plus H2SO4. The question product is ROH plus NaBr plus H2SO4. 2 gives a RBr, NaHSO4 and H2O. Any problems? Today we were studying first of all reaction of thionyl chloride, 2 gives a alkyl chloride, and next we will see we were studying about reaction of halogen acid on alcohol. This question is most important in RBSC 2015. Okay, bye. अरे पवन जी